Good morning, everyone. We were studying chapter 3, Computer Communication and Network. In this chapter, we have already studied about the wireless or wired transmission media. Now, we are going to study about the network. So, network is basically a connecting device. Okay, at home your computer might be connected to its own printer or scanner, but when we talk about a bigger organization, there are multiple computers available, so it is not possible to buy a separate or individual printer or scanner for each and every computer. Okay, so in this situation we particularly use a network. Okay, we buy a single printer or a single scanner and connect it by network to all the computers available in a particular organization. So this is the basic concept of a network. So a computer network is a collection of computers and devices connected by communication channel that allow user to share data, information, hardware and software with other user. So we can say I have given you an example of printer and organization. So here computers are the separate computer or n number of computers available on that organization. Devices are the printer or scanner, and communication channel can be wired or wireless. It can be Bluetooth or hotspot or something like a router we can use, so that data can be shared or information can be shared with each other. Okay, so now we study about the networking. Networking is general refers to the creation of network. We are creating a network, that means we are doing networking. Okay, network is a group of devices linked to one another. For example, network of telephone, radio network, cable network, and we are doing a network, that means we are creating a network. This is known as the networking. So networking makes sharing of information and resources easier. Same way, if we interconnect computers, it will form a network of computers and we are creating a networking channel. Okay, so the concept of networking is a computer network, often simply referred to as a network, is a collection of hardware component and computers interconnected by communication channel that allow sharing of resources and information. Network may be classified according to a wide variety of characteristics, such as the medium used to transport the data. जो नेटवर्क है उसे हम क्लासीफाई कर सकते हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू इट्स कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स. फर्स्ट इज मीडियम, the medium we are using to transport the data, the communication protocol, scale, topology and organization scope. We will study this later in the component of computer network, but the concept of networking is the rules and data formats for exchanging information in a computer network that are defined by the communication protocol. That means the protocols are the rules and regulations we are using to share a particular network or to share a device to create it as a network is known as networking. Okay, next is characteristics of a computer network. First one is resource sharing, second is facilitate communication, third is reliable in capability, and the fourth one is cost reduction. So these are all the characteristics of a computer network. Resource sharing means we can play a CD music from one computer while sitting on another computer. Okay, this is known as the resource sharing. We can print, or we can use printer which is connected by a computer and we are printing it by a different computer. This is known as resource sharing. Facilitate communication, that means using a network people can communicate efficiently and easily via email, instant messaging, chat rooms, telephone, video telephone calls and video conferencing. Third is reliable in capability. Reliable and capability means it authorized user may access data and information stored on other computer on the network. Okay, that means if you want to search something on Google, so it is actually stored in some other computer. What you are searching, like I am searching computer network on my Google, okay, but it is not available on my computer. It is actually on internet and I am accessing data from internet. So this is the reliability and capability. Okay, next is cost reduction. For a user, computer resources are costly. So by using network, we can use all the software which are provided into the network fully free. Okay, so this means the cost reduction. For example, like I want to download Microsoft Office, okay, but if I purchase it, then it will be very costly for me. But if my friend or some other computer are having the Microsoft Office already, so I just copy the installation process or the setup from that computer in my pen drive or some other devices, some storing devices I'm having, and then install it on my computer. This is known as cost reduction. So I can use Microsoft Office without paying any penny. Okay, next is the application of network. We play different games. That means we can play a game with our friends, so it is a multiplayer game. Internet telephone services we are using, and hardware sharing, like I already told you example of printer. Data and information sharing, like I have given you example of search about network on Google. Next is home entertainment. Earlier, every television of a home, it is connected by a antenna, but now by using network we can easily access the YouTube or some other video playing software on our TV also. This is known as home entertainment. Next is file sharing. Networking file sharing between computers gives you more flexibility than using floppy drives or zip drives. Earlier we were using floppy, CD, but now by using networking devices we can easily share photos, music files, documents to other user. Next is email services. A computer network provides you the facility to send or receive mail across the globe in few seconds. Flexible access. A user can log onto the computer anywhere on the network and access his files. This offers flexibility to the users as to where he should be during the course of his routine. Next topic is component of a computer network. There are basic component of a computer network. First one is data, then sender, then receiver, then protocol. Then we have transmission control protocol, internet protocol, and user datagram protocol. Last three protocol, that is the transmission, TCP, IP, and UDP, are the part of protocol. Okay, so first is data. Data means the information we are communicating or we are sharing. The sender, who sends the message. Receiver, who receives the message. And the protocol is the rules and regulation. By using those rules and regulations, we are sending our information to other user or we are receiving information from other users, is known as protocol. So we define the protocol or we divide the protocol in reliable and unreliable part. Reliable means a protocol guarantees that the message is sent to the destination. Okay, and unreliable means a protocol that does not guarantee the arrival of packets. This is known as unreliable protocol. Next is transmission control protocol. It is a reliable protocol as it first establishes a connection between the sender and the receiver like a telephone, and then sends the message by breaking up the message into small packets. Okay. Next is internet protocol. It allows a packet to travel. Packet means a data, small data. Okay, it allow a packet to travel through different network to reach its final destination. In internet protocol, we can say it sends the data in small packets or small messages by creating a network to different computers before reaching its destination. Okay, it is one of the essential protocol which packages data and ensure that it is sent to the destination. Next is user datagram protocol. It sends independent packets of data from one computer to another. It does not establish any connection between the sender and the receiver. So it is a unreliable protocol and does not guarantee the arrival of the packet like a postal mail. Okay, so we have three types of protocol, that is the transmission control protocol, internet protocol, and user datagram protocol, in which TCP and IP are the reliable protocol, but UDP, that is the user datagram protocol, is the unreliable protocol. Okay, so reliable protocol means it guarantees that the message is sent to the destination. That means it sends some message, or it first connect you with the receiver. Okay, if you are a sender, then reliable protocol connects you with the receiver first and then send the message. Okay, but user datagram protocol means it is not establishing any kind of connection between sender and receiver, and it first send the data openly. Okay, this is known as unreliable protocol or user datagram protocol. That's it.